we're sitting in a W222 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550, and I want to show you we're basically stuck in traffic. Got a whole bunch of car in front of me, and we're stuck at a traffic light. And if I want to free up my feet, right now I have my feet on the brakes, and I don't want to put my foot on the brakes. We can do what you call a pumping motion, and basically I'm gonna pump the brakes, and you see the hold setting, which is right there. Basically holds the car while your foot is off the brakes. See, my foot is away from the brakes. And the way it works is you pump the brakes, the hold feature comes on, and it basically holds the car. Now, if you want the car to drive, what you do, you step a little bit on the gas, and now the car is moving. And we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna put the car in hold. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna push down twice. One. Actually, don't have to push down twice, just have to push down once. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on the gas to take the whole feature off. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. All I'm gonna do is push down on the brakes once, a nice hard push. And we're gonna see the whole feature come up. There go the whole feature. All right, now I'm gonna take my foot off. I'm gonna put myself on the gas, do the exact same thing. And this is for those stop and go driving where you want to free up your feet, you want to stretch it a little bit. Do the same thing again. My foot is on the brakes. I'm gonna push down once, and now you see the hold feature, which is on the bottom right. This is a nice, useful feature. I'm gonna go ahead, take my foot off the brakes, and hopefully you learned a lot. Subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you soon.